In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. This is a common issue many of us encounter while trying to browse the web, and it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you can usually get things back on track. First, let's head over to your browser settings. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click on these to open the menu. From here, navigate to Settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find the option to clear your browsing data. Now, why is clearing your browsing data important? Over time, our browsers collect a large amount of data, including cookies and cache. While these elements are helpful for speeding up load times and remembering logins, they can sometimes cause issues if they become outdated or corrupted. So, let's move on to the next step. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize what data you want to clear. Here, you'll want to select All Time as the time range to ensure that you're clearing all potentially problematic data, not just data from the last hour or day. Now, it's important to make sure we're selecting the right types of data to clear. You'll notice several checkboxes. Ensure that both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. These are the elements that most frequently cause the "This site can't be reached" error when they become outdated. Checking these ensures that you're clearing the data that might be preventing you from accessing certain websites. Once you've selected All Time as the time range and checked the necessary boxes, it's time to clear the data. You'll see a blue button labeled Clear Data. Go ahead and click it. Depending on the amount of data, this process might take a few moments, so be patient while Chrome works its magic. Once it's completed, you can try reloading the web page that was causing issues. With any luck, clearing your cache and cookies will resolve the error and get you back to browsing without any hitches. If you continue to experience problems, there may be other underlying issues at play, such as problems with your internet connection or settings that might need to be adjusted further. But for now, clearing your browsing data is a great first step and often solves the issue entirely. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.